Good morning, students. Today we are discuss about Surveying Engineering 1, Chapter 1st, Introduction. Surveying 1 books will be authors by C.L. Kochar, Survey Part 1, Sanjay Mahajan, Surveying Part 1, and N.N. Basak, Surveying and Leveling. These books are to be considered in a Surveying 1. What is a survey? Surveying is defined as an art of representing the ground features on plan, or an art of making measurements of relative positions of the various objects on the surface of Earth. The map is drawn to some suitable scale. It shows the natural features and artificial features of a country. First, natural features are rivers, forest, hills, etc. Artificial features are included engineering works such as roads, irrigation canals, railways, dams, houses, and etc. Uses of the surveying: to prepare a topographical map which shows the hills, rivers, forest, etc. Second, to prepare an engineering map which shows the details of roads, railways, canals, etc. Third, to prepare geological map showing areas including underground resources. Fourth, to prepare the contour map to determine the capacity of a reservoir and find the routes of roads, etc. Fourth, classifications of a survey. First classification of survey is primary classification. Second, secondary classification. First, primary classifications are further parts. First, plane survey. Second, geodetic survey. Primary classification, first point, plane survey. The shape of Earth is spheroid or round has been consideration, but for surveying small area we assume it to be flat and neglect its curvature. The curvature of Earth is not taken into consideration. The surface of Earth is considered plane. The area of less than 250 kilometer square. Sphere triangles, 3 points. They are not straight line. These are round. Second point, classifications of primary classifications. Second point, geodetic survey. Geodetic survey, the curvature of Earth is taken into consideration. It is extended over a large area. The line joining any 2 points is considered a curved line. The triangle formed by any 2 points is considered spherical, and angles of the triangle are assumed to be spherical angles. Geodetic survey is conducted by the Survey of India Department and is carried out over an area exceeding 250 kilometers square. These are 3 points. They are straight lines. Geodetic survey secondary classifications are: first, secondary classification field survey. Field survey is land, sea, sky. Purpose of survey: military, used for attack point of view. Mine survey: the various ores are located. Methods: an area may be surveyed by dividing it into triangles. Topographical survey: it is conducted to locate the positions of various natural features and artificial features. Cadastral survey: it is detailed topographical survey on a larger scale, fields, boundaries, houses. City survey: these are carried out to lay out plots, streets, sewer lines in a villages or town. Engineering surveys: such surveys are conducted before the actual construction of various engineering works. For example, dams, bridges, roads, etc.